Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to make a group on Snapchat, which means if you want to create a group with your friends on Snapchat, then how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on the chat option here. After you click on the chat option, then here you have to click on this chat icon, and here you can find the option of new group here, and after that you have to simply name that group, which means here I am going to name that group. So after naming that group, you can simply add friends for your group. For example, I am going to add friends from my Snapchat contacts. After adding the friends, so you have to simply click on, because some of friends you cannot add, so you have to make sure that you have to add only friends which are addable on your Snapchat account. After that, you have to simply click on create a group and your group will be created. Here you can see I have created a group. You can simply add as many friends to the 100, which means you can only add only 100 numbers of friends in your group. After that, as you can see, there is the method you can create a group on Snapchat. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.